Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sounds and notifications, and then ringtone. You can select one of these pre-installed ringtones by tapping on the plus icon. You can choose your own ringtone. I mean, like, you can download any song from the internet and set it as your ringtone, but I'll just go to select one of these pre-installed ones. Let's listen to some of them. I'll just stay with this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.